Hello, you're welcome to Graphic Design Tutorials by Jemima Solomosani. Today we'll be looking at how to make outlines for your cartoons, illustrations using your pictures. So the first thing you do is to create a new document. After you have done that, Ctrl N for new, and then you click on your pen tool or your Bezier tool depending on the software you are using. Once you have clicked it, you zoom in the images. After you have placed, you have to place your image first, import it, Ctrl I, or you go to your file panel and then you click on import. Then you begin to zoom in the image to see the major features of that image. Once you have done that, you can always hide the layer to be sure of the features of that particular image. Once you are done, you can use your shape to define the curved edges so that you can be sure that okay, your curved edges are okay. Then once you are done, do well to always preview it at intervals, and if you are sure that all the major features have been done, then you are good to go. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Alright, bye for now.